Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the luxurious world of hair care with Oribe's conditioner for moisture and control. This 6.8 fluid ounces bottle is your ticket to deeply conditioned, intensely moisturized hair that feels ultra soft, shiny, smooth, and sleek. Designed to nourish and repair damage from thermal and chemical processing, this conditioner fortifies and strengthens your hair while effortlessly detangling it. Say goodbye to frizz, as this formula not only fights it but also prevents it from coming back. Plus, you can feel good about using a product that's paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. Whether you're looking to enhance your natural texture or tame unruly locks, Oribe's conditioner is your go-to solution for healthy, manageable hair. So, treat your tresses to the care they deserve and experience the transformative power of Oribe today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.